Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I will show you guys if you are facing your notebook LM unable to create the slide deck. Here are some solution you should try on your notebook. So first thing first, make sure all of your sources here are available. I mean, it's already fully loaded, because sometimes if you are upload the sources need time to load, and it keeps running circle like that. If it still has one or two, just wait until your sources upload fully. And then sometimes it happen if you are uploaded from your mobile phone. I don't know why it happen, common happen, I think. And make sure all it's uploaded, and then you can generate the slide deck directly. Okay, that's the first method you have to try. And then the second thing you have to try, you just go to your account level, you go to this profile icon, and then click. Just wait for a while. Oh, something wrong. What happened? Yeah. Okay, the second thing you have to try, you go to your profile account, and then click your manage your Google account, and then over there make sure you rectify any Google asks for you to do, like verify your address, verify your age, verify your phone, whatever it is. So Google perhaps wants to verify your presence as a human, not a bot. So just go to your Google account preferences. Okay, and then the next thing, make sure you able to click this slide deck. Perhaps you have the free plan that already run out, and you unable to, of course you unable to click this slide deck because the free tier is finished, or it's you don't have credit no more. So that's the three reason. That's for three. Okay, the next one, you have to do localize the problem. So I think you have more than one Google account, so you just log on to your another account, and then create the same sources, upload the same sources on here, and then just try to replicate your sources or your notebook into that new account, and then try click the slide deck again. And if on that account there is no problem, so it confirmed that the problem is on your this account. So make sure again you go to your profile and then rectify anything that Google asks for you, Google asked to you. Okay, and then if the other account also unable to create a slide deck, which means this is the global issue, perhaps the notebook server or your country server or anything, so you don't need to worry, yeah, because everyone perhaps facing the same problem. So that's the server side or not on in your control. So just leave it, wait for a while, and so. Oh, one more thing. If the other account able to create a slide deck, but this account unable to create a slide deck, you can try to remove the cache of your browser. You just go to go to settings, and then search for cache. I'm here using the Google Chrome. If you're using Safari or any browser, Opera, and so you just find cache, and then clear your cache or delete data. So that's it, the solution if you are facing your notebook LM doesn't generating the slide deck. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.